So guys, right now I've just made the exterior body with some ultra thin cardboard, and this is the bottom part of it with the outline. So there's nothing much, and there's a curve to it which is continuous throughout the whole model, and that's the thing. So here I'll insert the tube so that we can put in the rod, and then we'll work upon the mechanism of shooting with the help of rubber bands. Okay guys, so now the internals are mostly ready. As you can see, these two LEDs are installed. And so guys, in the final model I will not be able to include the LEDs part because one of the leg of the LED broke, due to which now if I want to replace it I need to cut the whole frame, which I don't want to. So of course in the next video I'll put some really awesome LEDs to my new web shooter, but this time around, now let's go and get back to the testing. And guys, as you can see, the Spiderman web shooter from PS5 is ready. And now guys, let me show you how to actually load it. As you may notice, I've given a really rustic look. I mean, it has been battle damaged and stuff like that. So this is actually the shooting mechanism, and the bullet that actually shoots out, and this is all the web. This is the cartridge. This is the place where we put all this web, and this part in this part, this thing actually goes like that. Let me just quickly wear this and load this as well. Okay guys, with that loaded and with this in place, it's time to actually show you how to load it. Let's pull this up, and now guys, I know this is a bit difficult and complex, but once you actually wear it for the first time, it becomes easy. So you hold this in this fashion, you insert it from here like that, then you take the rubber band, extend it from here, load it like that in that nudge hole, and guys, as you can see, now it has been loaded. Now let's just load the shooter. Boom guys, now if I just drop down the lever, it would shoot all the web out guys. And now let's go and do the real world test. Guys, by the way, I absolutely forgot to tell you guys, the front of this shooter is magnetic, so it sticks on iron and all those other metals that attract magnet. So guys, just for a proof of concept, that part right there is magnetic, and it would actually stick in. Now let me just throw it from a distance. As you can see guys, it does stick to iron and stuff like that. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and guys, this one is really so very easy that you guys can also make it on your own. And as you can see, I just put it from here, it comes out from there. I showed this to you while I was loading it. Anyways guys, just put it back. Here I have a really tiny stopper if the camera just focuses. Boom, right there. So this just stops it, and then when you actually leave it, the whole web just comes out from here. You can even grab it like that. Boom. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and guys, that was pretty much it for this video. You can surely check out my other Spiderman web shooter videos, link down in the description. And yeah, I've also created a playlist for that especially. So yeah, do check it out, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share the video. Yeah guys, finally, thanks for watching.